Can't tell if it started. Hey guys, my name is Heather and welcome to my channel. If you're not subscribed yet, please make sure you subscribe down below and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. My channel is all about my weight loss journey and I upload a few videos every week, everything from grocery hauls, meal prepping, what I eat in a day, my workout schedule, check-ins, and so much more. I would really love to have you here, keeping me accountable and building this community together. So today's video is going to be a check-in. I do these videos every Sunday where I check in and tell you how I did the previous week and weigh in. So because I weigh in on Saturdays, my weeks will actually go Sunday through Saturday. So this check-in is actually a review of my week from Sunday, August 2nd through Saturday, August 8th. So on my last check-in, I kind of gave you an overview of, how I did over the last couple of months because I kind of went off track, but I kind of reined myself in the week prior. Did I keep myself reined in? I did. I think I did pretty well this last week. If you don't know or if you don't follow me on Instagram, I do keep a daily tracker and keep track of all of my goals and my habits every single day. And I post how I did that day at night on my stories. I also try to post what I eat every day and what I'm doing for workouts that day. So if you're not following me on Instagram, definitely check that out. Let's see, for water, my goal every day is to drink 48 ounces of water a day. I did okay on that. I did drink that much for 5 days. I don't know yet how my day is for today, which is Saturday, because it's Saturday afternoon and obviously the day's not over. So I don't know if I'm gonna hit my water goal today. Based on how I'm going so far, I don't think I'm gonna hit my goal, but I will try. But I hit my goal 5 days this week. I definitely think that's a huge improvement from how I've done the past couple months actually. So I'm slowly but surely getting there in the water department. As far as my closing my rings, I did not do so well. I only hit that goal 3 days this week. And I'm telling you guys, it's that stupid stand goal. It's because I sit all day at my computer and I get so wrapped up in my work that I just forget to stand and do things. I have no problem hitting the other 2 rings, which is my move goal and my workout minutes goal. I usually hit those goals during my workout every day. So those goals, no problem, but my stand goal, I really need to work on that. 3 days is not very good, so I need to improve on that for next week. As far as my workouts, I did great. I worked out every day, Sunday through Friday, and I am super proud of myself for doing that. There were a couple of days in there, I think it was Wednesday, where I really didn't feel like working out. Wednesday was actually a very hard day for me. We'll get into that in a second. But as far as workouts go, I killed it. I did pretty well.
I'll give myself a pat on the back for that.
As far as my eating, I did pretty well. I stayed within my calorie range, so I don't have a specific goal that I try to hit. I have had like a 1,500 calorie limit in the past. However, as I'm getting back on track, I'm trying to just give myself a range of where I want to be every day, and that range is between 1,400 and 1,700 calories, and try to keep it towards an average of 1,500 for the week. I did pretty well. However, this past week was very PMS-y, if you know what I mean. I was
ravenous
Thursday and Friday, and I can't believe I controlled myself those days and I did not go over my calorie range, but I was craving things and I was hungry bad. But Wednesday night, I actually was kind of in a I don't know what happened, but all of a sudden at night, I did fine during the day, but then all of a sudden at night, I got this huge craving for ice cream, and I had Moose Tracks in the freezer and I ate it. So I mean, it's not terrible, and I feel like if I wouldn't have had the Moose Tracks, I probably would have gone off track Thursday and Friday. So it is what it is. I think I went over calories by like 100. I think I ate like 1,800 calories that day. I don't think that's a huge deal. I'm not gonna beat myself up over it, but I didn't let that deter me the rest of the week, and that's the real win here. So like I mentioned, I was really PMS-y this week, which means Shark Week. Shark Week day 1 is today. Of course it is, on my weigh-in day. Of course it is. I was so annoyed. I kind of didn't want to weigh in today, but I knew I had to. I knew I needed to get this video up. I'm not gonna do this every single month where I don't weigh in 1 week because of my period. So I am going to weigh in no matter what and keep myself accountable to you guys. So without further ado, let's get to the weigh-in. I actually lost 0.2 pounds, even though I am extremely bloated. That's amazing. The fact that I had even a 0.2 pound loss, even though it may seem small, that's huge for me because I get really bloated the first day of my period. I don't maintain my first day of my period. I gain a few pounds. The fact that I actually lost 0.2, I am really excited to see where I'm gonna be next week. I am gonna hope that I am in the 170s next week. You guys will need to come back next week to see if I made it into the 170s. I am really looking forward to next week now, and that really means I need to stay on track. Next week, meet me back here for my weigh-in. Let's see if I can get into the 170s. But until then, I have a couple videos coming up for you this week. I've got a grocery haul and a meal prep video. I haven't done a meal prep in a while, so I'm kind of excited for it. I love doing meal prep videos. I'm excited to post one again. So make sure to watch out for that, and if you're not subscribed again, please make sure to subscribe down below and hit the notification button so you're notified every time I upload. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel more than you know. And with that, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!